SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, I am Vinita Nadyal here with you people again to teach you some other math topics. So get ready, open your book. My dear students, today we will start from your Indian and International System. What is your Indian and International System? Let's come with me to know the same. Here we have the place value, tens and tens. Place value means 1, 10, 100 and tens means 1, 101, 100 and here we have 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Now here we have 1000, 1000, 10,000 means 1000, 10,000 it will be like this in the number. And here we have how many tens in 1000? It will be 3 and how many tens in 10,000? It will be 4. Okay. Here we have lakh. Lakh means 1 lakh and 10 lakh. As you people knows that it will be right like this 1 lakh and 10 lakh and in 1 lakh there will be 5 tens and in 10 lakhs there will be 6 tens and it is here 1 crore and 10 crore. We will write 1 crore in numbers like this. We will write 10 crore in number like this. In 1 crore we have 7 tens. In 10 crore we have 8 tens. This is Arab. 1 Arab, 10 Arab. 1 Arab will be like this with 9 tens and 10 Arab will be like this with 10 tens. Okay. Now we have the place value of 110, 100. 110, 10, 100, 0, 1, 2. Here we have 1000, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have millions. 1 million, 10 million, 100 millions. 1 million, 10 million, 100 millions. Now 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billions. And in numbers we will write it like this. Okay, basically these are our Indian and national number system parts. Okay, it is 1 trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion and in numbers we will write it like this with a group. Okay, as it will be 12 tens in 1 trillion, 13 tens in 10 trillion and 14 tens in 100 trillions. Now we have the multiplication chart from 1 to 100. Look at the following in the multiplication grid. So this is your multiplication grid. Means 1 multiply 1, answer will be 1. 2 multiply 1, answer will be 2. 3 multiply 1, answer will be 3. 4 multiply 1, answer will be 4. 5 multiply 1, answer will be 5. 6 multiply 1, answer will be 6. 7 multiply 1, answer will be 7. 8 multiply 1, answer will be 8. 9 multiply 1, answer will be 9 and 10 multiply 1 answer will be 10. Okay, basically your chart is like this. As you have learned your table also up to 10. Now after reading your multiplication chart you have to complete your question. Fill in the following table chart. How it will be? 5 into 10 means 50. 5 into 2 means 10. 5 into 5 means 25. Okay. In the same way, you will also complete it. 10, 2 into 10 will be here. 2 into 2 will be here. 2 into 10 will be 20. 2 into 2 will be 4. 2 into 5 already 10 is written. In the same way, 10 into 10 will be 100. 10 into 2 will be 20. 10 into 5 will be 50. Clear? But your way of writing the number will be like this as now I am writing, because first I was showing you the way of multiplication. Now it will be 5 into 2, answer will be 10. 5 into 5, answer will be 25. 2 into 10, answer will be 20. 2 into 2, answer will be 4. 10 into 10, answer will be 100. 10 into 2, answer will be 20. 10 into 5, answer will be 50. Clear? In the same way, you people will do the next of the tables. Now we have the table of 11 and 12. Multiplication table of 11 and 12. Table of 11, we will sing it like this. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 3 ja 33, 11 4 ja 44, 11 5 ja 55, 11 6 ja 66, 11 7 ja 77, 11 8 ja 88, 11 9 ja 99, 11 10 ja 110. And you will also do the practice. Now we have the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 eights are 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. My dear students, you will also revise the table as I am reciting, because this is the only way to learn the table. Now we have the practice time with fill in the missing numbers. Here we have to complete the table of 11 but in different manner, as we have to fill the number here, that on which number 22 comes in 11's table. So it will be 2. 11 2s are 22, and it will be possible then only when you will keep on revising the table very well. 11 4s are 44. Okay. Now in the same way you will complete rest of the part of this table. Now we have multiplication table of 13 and 14. Here we have the table of 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 six are 78. 13 seven are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Here we have the table of 14. Now we have to revise the table of 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 six are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. Okay. Now this is your practice time. Here you have to draw lines to match the correct numeral. Means 13 threes are 39. Okay. But as always I tells you that all the questions will be very easy for you people, but when you will keep on learning the table. Okay. So it is important for you to learn all the table time to time. Multiplication table of 15 and 16. Here we have the table of 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 six are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Okay. Next we have the table of 16. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 six are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. In the same way you all will learn it. Now we have the practice time in which we have to solve the given sums. But as I told you that it will be possible then only when you will keep on revising your table. Here we have to write the 15 threes are, so it will be 45. 15 threes are 45. Clear? In the same way you people will also solve rest of the questions by yourself. Now we are moving towards your table 17 and 18. Multiplication table of 17 and 18. So get ready with me to learn the same. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 112. 77 are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170.